Hello everybody, my name is Bruno Isaac Berry from Berry Science Lab, and today I'm here to tell you about the biggest accomplishment in the history of Berry Science Lab. I need a drum roll for this because it's just so significant. Drum roll, please. We have gained 500,000 subscribers. Think about the scale of that number. There are almost 200 countries in the world, and almost 30 of them have less than 500,000 people, and yet we have more than 500,000 subscribers. Now, our channel started humbly 8.5 years ago on the exact day of November 8th, 2014. And on that same day, my father uploaded our first video. A video of a 2-year-old child named Sabrina, not even at that time, Sabrina Padik Berry, being interviewed by the then Vice President of Medgar Evers College, Gerald Posner. And then, years later, after we started Berry Science Lab, I asked my father, why did you upload that as our first video? And he told me why. He said that after that interview, he was inspired. He realized a message that no one else had spread majorly before. That children of all ages could learn any advanced amount of math and science, no matter how old they were. And he believed this because of the example I had set during the interview. I was far ahead of the curriculum that kids my age were learning at this time. And that is why my father uploaded that video, to show the world that learning was not facilitated by just age, but learning was rather facilitated by a good environment and someone intervening in the right ways to help a child learn. In fact, that was the philosophy that almost a century ago Soviet children's psychologist Lev Vygotsky pushed in about the 1920s. So almost a century ago, just as I said. He not only believed that age had no role to play in cognitive development, and rather it was the intervention of a good, more knowledgeable other, but he also thought of one other philosophy and idea that Berry Science Lab follows. He believed that play is the best way for children to learn. And at Berry Science Lab, we try to make our lessons fun. And when we can, we try to make them hands-on as well. Fun and hands-on, just like play. So, clearly, this message has still persevered throughout all those years, since we've gathered not 100,000, 200,000, 300,000, 400,000, but 500,000 people behind these ideas of hands-on learning, making math and science fun for everyone, and breaking those stigmas that people at a young age can't learn advanced math or advanced science. That is the message that Berry Science Lab has followed for almost 8.5 years. So, even though we currently have 500,000 people behind this, and we hope that number will skyrocket in the future. So please, all the parents who are watching this right now or are subscribed to our channel, and I know you're out there, tell your children not just to watch our math and science videos, but also to be inspired to fall in love with math and science as a whole. Look at other sources. Try to achieve more in math and science. Push your boundaries and push your limits instead of staying in your comfortable zones. And that is the message of Berry Science Lab. Our most viewed video is a video of me teaching at Ramnarine Roya College while visiting the University of Mumbai. Now, I don't want people there just wowing at the screen, not being inspired to do anything. I want people to go out there and start learning science, no matter how young nor how old they are. I want them to be inspired by this channel. So, once again, thank you so much for 500,000 subscribers, and I hope that number grows, and I will see you all in the next video.